It starts to look like Christmas everywhere I go. I have a voice. Maybe after coffee I will have another career. Anyway, it is the best time of the year. Christmas is approaching and we have something special, exclusive for this season, the Best of Memli Gift Pack, which is 5 samples of our best coffee of the moment. All right, let's open our Christmas gift now. Look at this. Wow, masca. Wow, look at that, It's an art piece. Let's open what is now. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at little Smarties. Little Memli card. We have a coffee sensory assessment that we will talk a little bit later on about how to taste coffee. And 5, wow, amazing samples. So we start with the Gagenki from Burundi. Amazing. Amazing farm from Peru, Finca Peña Blanca. What is this one? Ooh, our geisha from Panama. Our new coffee from Los Pirineos in El Salvador. And last but not least, Pilcucaja Inti from Ecuador. And the amazing thing is that if you want to have different coffee, well, just check the mix and match, and then you can mix and match. And if you want to mix and match, well, what you can do is to select mix and match gift set and just mix and match the coffees that you want among all the offerings that we have. And with that, I hope you have an amazing Christmas. Oh, it all comes with the card, so you have more information about the coffee. I hope you've been nice to Santa Claus, aka Papa Noel. And for you, we have created this exclusive Best of Memli sample set, including 5 of our finest coffee of the moment. And also the possibility for you to mix and match or just buy 1 or 2 samples. It's a perfect stocking fillers, the little socks that is on the chimney, right? We can put definitely different samples of coffee. I know some of you will love like a nice geisha or nice pacamara there. So that's about it. I wish you a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year. And thank you very much for supporting us from the beginning. Thank you.